What kind of pancakes are these?
Rice pancakes.
Yum. What you doing, Trev?
Mashing.
Mashing what? Rice?
Yeah.
This part now.
Yogurt.
Okay, what are you gonna do with the yogurt?
Pour it.
Go ahead, pour it in. Pour it all in. How much yogurt is there? Is that 1 cup? Is that 1 cup? What do you got there, Trevor?
Some flour.
Okay, go ahead, add the flour. Good. Trev, what do you got in there?
Egg.
We're gonna add an egg in 1 second, right?
Yeah.
What's that?
Baking soda.
Okay, put the baking soda in. Good job there.
Salt.
Okay, put salt in. Thank you. What are we doing now? We frying the pancakes?
Yep.
Who are these pancakes for?
Me, Mom, and Daddy.
Good job.
There's what is it?
Yogurt and rice pancakes.
Yogurt and